A hallway is often a neglected space when it comes to decoration, but with a little creativity, it can be transformed into a stunning and inviting area. To start, consider adding a statement piece of art or a mirror to create a focal point and add depth to the space. A large mirror can not only add a touch of elegance but also create the illusion of a larger space. Lighting can also play a significant role in hallway decoration, with options ranging from sleek sconces to elegant chandeliers, and even LED strip lighting to create a modern ambiance. Runners or rugs can add warmth and texture to the floor, while wall decor such as family photos, prints, or shelves can add personality and visual interest. Console tables or benches can provide a convenient spot to drop keys or mail, and decorative accents like vases, candlesticks, or sculptures can add a touch of elegance. Consider adding some greenery, like a potted plant or a vase with fresh flowers, to bring in a natural element and add some color to the space. By incorporating these elements, a hallway can be transformed from a mere passageway to a beautiful and functional space that sets the tone for the rest of the home. With careful consideration of color, texture, and lighting, a hallway can become a stunning and welcoming area that reflects the homeowner's personal style. Additionally, consider the hallway's architecture and incorporate decorative elements that complement its style, such as ornate frames for a traditional hallway or minimalist decor for a modern space. By paying attention to these details, a hallway can be transformed into a beautiful and inviting space that makes a lasting impression on guests.